Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You've got media imported. Now start transcription. First, select the clip in the timeline or project panel so Premiere targets the right audio. Then open the text panel and pick Transcribe sequence. Choose the correct language and speaker separation options because accuracy depends on that. Once done, click Transcribe. Premiere analyzes waveform and creates a transcript file. Make sure audio quality is clear, since background noise reduces word recognition. Cleaning audio beforehand, now you'll refine the transcript and turn it into usable captions. In the text panel, read along with playback and edit misheard words. You control accuracy, so correct names and technical terms. Use the timeline scrub to align phrases, split long lines, and adjust timing for natural reading. Once you're satisfied, choose Create Captions. Select Caption Standard, Style, and Max characters per line. This converts text to caption clips synced to audio, so you can tweak position and appearance in the Essential Graphics panel. Finish by exporting captions in the format your client needs. You can embed them, export a sidecar file, or burn them into video. When exporting, match sequence frame rate and caption settings to avoid drift. If captions are out of sync, make sure the sequence's frame rate and audio sample rate match the source, and check for any prior edits that shifted clips. If accuracy is poor, reduce noise, rerun Transcribe, or manually correct the transcript. Then recreate captions for a clean final deliverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.